our rear tail light out. This light and this light are the same as this light and that light. So all 4 lights are the same size. These are a little bit more difficult to get to right here. I did do a video on that one, but this one is easy. There's a little compartment right here. This is a 2012 Volkswagen CC, and they're all pretty much similar. So this is how you get in there. You don't have to rip it out this way. That's what my wife started doing. So anyways, you get in here, and once you're in here, you'll see this little plastic mount, and there's 3 bulbs in there, and you pull your thumb this way to pull this out. I'll try to do this while I'm recording. Oh, pop right out. You got 3 bulbs there, okay? Let me try to get this out. 1, 2, and 3. All they do is pull straight out. I have the replacement bulb right here. It's really sunny out, I can't see good. The replacement bulb is right there. Don't touch it with your fingers. You have oil on your fingers. That will make it pop right away. Also, I picked up this light for $3 on eBay, where if you go to like your local auto store, they'll try to charge you $19.99 or something stupid. So that was just ridiculous. So now I'm just going to insert this and we'll be all set.